Welcome to this first episode of Fossil Fundamentals. Fossil Fundamentals is an exclusive YouTube series where we will discuss all things fossil-related. For today's first ever episode, we're diving deep into the heart of paleontology with the ultimate question: what is a fossil? Fossils are the preserved remains of organisms that lived thousands or millions of years ago. Fossils can include bones, teeth, shells, imprints of soft tissues, footprints, and other evidence of ancient life. In a nutshell, a fossil is like a window into the past. Fossils serve as crucial evidence for understanding the evolution of life on Earth and Earth's history. Fossils provide information about the types of organisms that lived in the past, their anatomical structures, their environments, and their ancient climates. Fossils not only help scientists reconstruct Earth's past, but they can also help with the study of modern-day species, ecosystems, as well as climates. By studying fossils in the past, we can gain knowledge that can be used to better understand the world around us and plan for a better future. Fossilization occurs when the remains of plants or animals undergo various physical and chemical changes over time, typically in sedimentary rocks. The first stage in the fossilization process is death and burial. Organisms die, and their remains are quickly buried by sediments, such as mud, sand, or silt, before they can decompose or are scavenged. Finer sediments and quicker burial create the best conditions. This process can lead to a type of fossil deposit which is called a Lagerstätten. We will come back to Lagerstätten in another episode. The second stage in the fossilization process is decay and mineralization. Over time, the organic materials can be replaced by minerals through a process called mineralization. Mineralization is caused by chemicals in the surrounding sediment interacting with the chemicals released during the decay process, resulting in the preservation of the original structure of the organism. The next stage is compression. The layers of sediments above the buried remains press down as more and more sediment is deposited on top, causing compression. The final stage is exposure and discovery. The best way these fossil-bearing rocks can become exposed is through processes such as erosion or other geological processes, such as tectonic uplift. Once exposed, the fossil-bearing rocks can be searched by paleontologists and fossil enthusiasts who can discover and study the fossils they find. Obviously, what we have discussed here today is only the tip of the iceberg, and if you want to learn more, stick around. Fossil Fundamentals is an ongoing series, and the adventure continues. Be sure to like and hit that subscribe button to join our fossil-loving community. If you have any ideas on future Fossil Fundamentals, then please leave a comment below. Before you go, don't forget to check out fossils-uk.com for your very own piece of prehistory.